Wild Rider. This is the awesome KEMIMOTO bike bag for a bike rack. And I'm Wyoming Rider, and I review electric bikes, other electric vehicles, devices, and occasionally accessories in the most rural state in the country. So come along with me on a new adventure. First of all, I want to say thank you, KEMIMOTO, for sending me this awesome bag. It's going to go quite nicely with this awesome bike that I'm currently reviewing. They come in just a clear plastic bag, so I went in and I took it out of there, and I just kind of want to show you what's inside. This thing is 15 liters in size, so it's a nice good sized bag, and it is made out of this nice water resistant material. So the bag itself is very water resistant, but they also do give you this additional little cover that makes it even more water resistant. And of course it comes with instructions, and it also gives you these nice little Velcro dividers you can put in here. Compartmentalize the bag so you can put different things in there. And now I find these quite useful. I already had an older one, so this is a nice upgrade to the older one I had. And just like my older one, this also has the drink holder in the back. Very nice. Has a nice little zip up pouch on the side here as well as one on this side. I said I like this material they made it out of, and these zippers are the water resistant kind of zippers as well, so this should keep all your stuff nice and dry. It even has the little straps on top to hold stuff there as well, and even this part out, it zips out and expands as well to make it even taller, but I'll show you that in a second here on the bike. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on this awesome camouflage bike here. I've already done this ahead of time, and it was kind of flattened out in the bag, so we're gonna have to get it all straightened out here. Because once you use it a few times, it forms better, and then it's much easier to zip up. There we go. But when you fill it up, as you can see, it opens out even further, and it does have a nice little zip-up compartment in the top here as well. This is how you attach it. You have these nice little Velcro straps here, and you do have these two in the front. We'll open those. Pull those out. I'm gonna do this like this. By the way, I'm no expert at this, so it's one of them things you put it on the bike and it stays on there for a while usually. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing to the sides here, and one more to go. Really easy to install and very easy to take off the bike as well. And there you go, that's what it looks like on there. Very nice. I'll take you back up here and we'll get another look inside. You can just simply do that, and yeah, you got lots of room in here. Like I said, you get these little dividers, and you can set these up any way you'd like. Take them to the sides, like that. Actually, there's one stuck to the side over here too. Position it just like that. We should move this back a little bit. My little silica candy beads are getting in the way. And we can even put another one up here if we want. And look at that. That's all these little compartments now. You can put different things. You can put camera equipment, put lunch in there, or whatever your need may be. Very cool. Like I said, and I'll go get a cup to stick in there or something, or a can to show you how that works. But then you just do that, and then you can zip it back up just like that. Like I said, it even has this part up here that you can open up. And this is very nice. It even has this plastic part up here, so you can put something there. You don't want it to get any water in it. Keep that protected. You can stick your phone in there, whatever. Very nice. And you also have these side pockets. Put some stuff in there as well. So it holds a lot of stuff. And the other cool thing with this bag is all these patterns and the KEMIMOTO. And it also has this little strip in the back where the drink holder is. This reflective, so if you ride your bike at night, you have these nice reflective things on there to help with visibility. Very nice. So let's go put a can in the back. Now, that means you could put things like a nice cold soda in here, and that fits all the way down in there. It does have this nice little handle back there, or you could even put your water bottle in there. And I think if you do that, you'd probably want to put it behind that strap and in there, just like that. See, that way it doesn't go anywhere. And that is definitely a big improvement on the older bag that they had. I had the original one, and that one did not have this little strap right there. So yeah, this is definitely a great improvement they added to it. So now their water bottle's not going to go anywhere. Very nice, KEMIMOTO. Just quickly, I want to show to you, this is what it looks like if you want to put it over the little cover bag to make it even more waterproof. You just simply drape it over just like that. Now it's completely waterproof. Nothing should get in there now. Very nice. And of course, to take it back off the same way we put it on there, you're just gonna pull these straps very quickly like that. Pull these, and there you go. So underneath here was also the strap here, and you take this strap and you hook it to one of these corners, and then it kind of becomes like a backpack. So then you can just strap it on your back like that and walk around with it. If you use this for work, you just carry it in your office, carry it back out, or if you're going for a grocery trip, yeah, you can stick this bag on there and get your stuff and put it back on the bike when you go back out. Very cool feature. So yes, I definitely highly recommend these KEMIMOTO bags. Like I said, this is the second one of these I've gotten. I had the original years ago, and it was a great bag, and I still use it. But this one's even better. Made some improvements. So awesome product, KEMIMOTO. And I think the current price of this bag is about $34.99. But if you like the latest price on this bag, please check out my link down in the description below. There will be an Amazon link down there to it, and that will give you the latest price. And sometimes they put these things on sale. Keep that in mind. And thank you so much for coming along today's adventure with a KEMIMOTO bike bag. And I'll see you in the next one.